kabizira mutumwe abageni gashobora kuricira Mara ushenye nyi karara ni ganda mizingi katonga ni kagambira mpore bira bya rwambara bikabaswa Rwanda mu paka subakirembe bakahunga batora Uganda Chiriza untungure mu pomara kaganye bavugire rutatina kugamba ni impure mazima nganye seshongeza amazina gabarundante bitu bensi kore na mporo nimbamanya katunje rushunga ruhindana rukutana rubarema rubarenzi rugazonza na rubambasi nimbamanya Chita banyoro rwebshenge gasyonga ikumira bakatoro wanyere akuba yaram Henya kashija nyabugaro nyabutono nyinamwiru Ewine murara abine chiru abine chirezi abine muganga Ndebirwe na nyuma manyura akarukurishkurwa basyaba barindante numba manyakanda bazira burunga bari bensi yitunkore nito bakaro karungi tugihimba Terrechta guru barungi
ana kongo wito wambarano shangana kana chuchuzu ombuzo kuta extaburu dakuchimanya hati yo mai kuto kumanya churi you are a very talented person extimwe yaha imuno muchegwa mukama twicu mukumaliza konga ahabo kuhagira obunyankore no kumanya karike
Ruhanga kurinde yobo muhanda muningwa Hona horaze osije heizi na irunji Otebwe bibatwe jeise You are my God, oh abandi, oh abandi, oh abandi nilpora, pora, oh abandi Oh amandi ni kache Oh amandi Mawe mi ate chase don't forget Tate mi ate don't repeat Chimwe Ogwe wa shuma Echakabi Echaka shatu Watch your friends Speak if you have to Less and less Kanani is not just a house You make a home Yes, make a home When I was
Thank you so much. Muruje. Amazina gaje ni haka mchiga once again. Mwebale kwije mu bwingi to support culture. Abo kuba Michael, thank you very much. This is an experience. I've fallen in love with what you've done today. Kandi kukuyagamba yakora concert yakora chifura dine hit song, and I'm sure everyone of us here was very happy. Kandi necha asinga yokushemeza no kutuletera proseka akunda have never seen that.
If you listen, I know you will love it. It's in my heart with all its within, and the purpose it holds us within. Only to Muka, it's a cultural experience. Beauty she holds.